Good afternoon, everybody. Today, my presentation is the topic is factor affecting the second language reading skill. The content include introduction, literature review, and methodology. In introduction, include a research background, statement of the problem, and purpose of the research. In research background, here is one sentence. Only actual reading experience can help second language learner acquire linguistic word and the topic knowledge need to improve their reading skill. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll write this way. I think reading skill is quite important for you to learn other knowledge. If your reading skill is good, you can learn. Now it's a global village, right? So most of the article, no matter in medical, business, or other area, mostly will deliver in English. So if you want to learn the top knowledge in the world, you need improve your reading skill. It's very important. What's wrong? Okay, and research early showed that more children read and more better they can read, learn all their other subjects. In early stage of your reading, if your reading skill is good, your other subject will be better. That's in this finding. And the next one, the importance of second language ability has been highlighted by educator and policymaker. So the reading ability is very important because now the educator and the policymaker, they have known the importance of the second language reading ability. Okay, here is another viewpoint. 34% of business owners ran their high school educated employees have been deficient in reading comprehension skills that are critical for job success. Wow! Your reading skill will reflect your job success. So, reading skill is really important for you. For your, no wonder your further study or after graduate, your job succeed. Here it comes state of the problem. In Taiwan, most high school students have difficulty in learning second language. Most students they need to pass so many exams, but they still feel very difficult to learn second language. Okay, Grab point out the critical importance of the reading skill in academic context and lead to further study. Okay, if your reading comprehension is good, your reading ability is good, it's easy for you have a good performance in academic and your further study. The purpose of this study, first, to define the factor that affects second language students' second language reading skill. This is the first purpose. The second purpose is provide practical information on how to promote effective second language reading comprehension. research question. The first research question, I want to know what kind of factor affect the senior high school students' second language comprehension. And the second question, I would like to know, does native language and the second language have the same factor that affect students' reading comprehension? There are so many find out. The first language have so many factors that affect students' reading comprehension. But here we talk about the second language. So I want to know what's the difference in first language and the second language. They have any difference? Research show that spending extended periods of film in front of television and computer has negative effect on academic achievement. Okay, so usually if you watch TV and play computer game, often have negative effect on your academic achievement. Here is the same. It's talk about the television have the negative effect. The widespread use of library and the benefit attached to reading. So, more often the student use the library, maybe they will have better reading comprehension. There are so many findings. So here other finding, Omer Cora. Major effect on reading comprehension skill. It's other factor about radio, magazine, CD player, and book reading. There are so many findings, so I arranged this list. What factor maybe affect the reading ability? The father's education, mother's education, books at home, and the genders. And next one, computer using, watching TV, the time of you watching TV, or proper library using, or your reading time. So there are so many factors affect your reading ability. Next one is methodology. Methodology include data collection, participant, instrument, and data analysis. First is data collection. The data gathered by two means of the data collection. First one, student answer the reading text-based question were scored. So after the text reading questions, and we will score their ability. And next one is the questionnaire. The student answer the factor in 5 Likert point questionnaire. This is the math of the data collection. Here is our participant. The participant is 350 students studying in Dali Senior High School. And their gender, female 161, male 154. And their nationality is Taiwan, Central Taiwan actually. Their age is around 17 years old. The instrument, first is self-designed questionnaire. It's 5 Likert point. And second is reading comprehension test. This is the instrument. And the data analysis. I will collect the factor and the reading after their test. I will have their reading score, and I will use the SPSS 14 program, and I will do the regression analysis by stepwise. Okay, thank you for your attention.